Hello out there, people of YouTube. Well, got a little bit of a different project for you today. I've got a Sony camera that I'm shooting on here that gives you this image on your screen. Has a bit of an issue with the power cord. The power cord has been having some problems. I don't know if I can get it close enough so you can see this, if it'll focus. Right where the plastic meets the cord, you can see a little bit of the copper showing. And the last thing I want right now is for that to break. So I'm going to attempt to fix it, maybe prolong the life of this cable a little bit more, because I was looking online and they want like $60 for a new one. And that's about $60 more than I care to spend on this cable right now, given that we don't know how long the camera might last. I mean, it could die tomorrow for all we know. So my methodology here to fix this, whether it's right or wrong, is I went out and I bought some, if you can read that, some liquid electrical tape. For some reason it's showing the reverse on the screen for me, which is weird, but maybe that's perfectly normal for you guys. If not, I have no idea why it's doing that. Anyways, I'm going to try and put some of this on there and we'll let it dry. And then my other method, I need something to stiffen it to brace it. Like you'd have a broken leg, you need to fix it. So I don't want it bending ever again. So the cable's going to be stiff in that part and have to bend somewhere else if we need it to bend. So I walked through Walmart and managed to find if you can focus, Sony, come on. Well, it's not going to focus very well. Anyways, it's basically a popsicle stick. They call them craft sticks. I was pretty tempted just to buy some popsicles and eat the popsicles and then get the sticks, but I didn't do that. I actually bought unused popsicle sticks. So I figured we can probably just use one and maybe break it into thirds. I'm not even sure how long we need to make this. Theoretically, I guess if we make it half, that won't be the end of the world. So let's, we can break this. Oh, that's not good. Okay, well, good thing I got a whole pack of these things. That did not break in half. That broke almost a third. Anyways, I'll break the sharp piece off that end. I'll try and break that sort of square. The other piece. And we got two really uneven pieces now. That's not what I wanted. Let's see if we can break. Oh, a little too much probably. Not good. Well, that's better. So we got two pieces that are roughly the same length. Obviously one's longer than the other, but that shouldn't matter. So I guess we'll take the liquid electrical tape that I got at Canadian Tire. I believe it was $12.99. A little more than I wanted to spend, but it's the only thing I could think of that pretty much guarantees that it's not going to be conductive. I thought of using a glue or a silicone or something like that, but I didn't want to take a chance of it being conductive or having problems with heat, or I do not like I expect this to be heat. Get hot. Yeah, so we'll apply a little bit of this and see what it's like. I've never used liquid electrical tape before, so I have no idea what to expect. I expect it to smell like the worst thing ever, because that's what happens when you... Oh, and they've really tightened this on there. Holy crap. I'm not the weakest guy in the world, at least I don't think I am. If I got a cloth or something I can... And of course my shirt's like plastic, so it just spins right off it. Put a coffee filter on it and try it. No, that slides too much. Anyways, I'll figure this out and I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. Believe it, I know how to use my teeth. Probably not the smartest thing, but I never said I was the smartest person in the world. Oh, and this is literally like you liquefied tape. Okay, I'm going to zoom out a tiny bit. Oh, that's in. Let's try out. There we go. So you can see my rough table. Little liquid electrical tape. Oh, there's tons there. I'm going to use like so little it's not even funny. And probably forget the stuff and never use it again. But who knows, I might have a cord or something I need fixed. Oh, all over my table. Great. That's lovely. So I'll just paint a little bit of that on there. It's got the consistency of, oh, this is gross. Probably should have put something on my table. I'll paint it on there nice and thick. We'll make sure I get everything. It is a sealed connection. I think I do want to paint underneath it too, just to make sure that it's sealed on that side too. I think we can put that in there. There's some rubbing alcohol to clean this stuff off, because I imagine it'd be like tar. I don't know, so I guess we basically just let that sit for a bit. Try and clean up our mess here a little bit. I'll try just wiping. Oh, it's not going to come off the table. Not too bad. Probably going to have to run some rubbing alcohol over it. And actually, just kind of gel up. Let's get a little bit off here. I guess we can move this a little bit. Alright. Now we can clean the rest of the table out. Oh, I don't want to get this on my hands. I really should have worn gloves. If I could find my gloves. I guess I have coffee filters. Strange as that is. Taking thermal paste off computers, it works great. Oh yeah, there we go. Huh, so who knew? It's like a silicone. It does smell really bad too. But that was expected. Okay, clean the wood chips out of the way. Ooh, coffee stain. Just off the camera, that's okay, you guys can't see it. It's weird because I don't think I've ever drank coffee on this table. So we'll let that set up. It says on the instructions on the can, oh, it does say wear gloves and eye protection. Interesting. Yeah, and you know, poisonous and not give to kids and all kinds of stuff. So if I sound like I'm high, you guys know why. And I will do my best to make the rest of the video entertaining on fumes or not. I guess we'll see. Let's see the back of this. It says totally waterproof connections. Yeah, because that's going to be relevant on power cables. Multicolors. No, this is just black. Will not peel or unravel. Well, hope not. So yeah, 5 minutes. Cures in 24 hours. We don't have 24 hours, but it can cure later. All I'm worried about is that it's not sticky enough that I can put the things on it. And I guess it doesn't really matter if it's sticky or not, because if it sticks to it, great. So we'll be back in 5 minutes time, or for you guys, a quick jump cut, and we'll be there. Okay. See you guys in a sec. And we're back. Oh. Okay, so that was 5 minutes. And on that fun time, it reeks really badly here. This connection is a lot more solid now. It's kind of amazing how it stiffened up just because of that. I'm going to take the large piece, because it is the bigger piece, press the cable flat against it, just because I want to brace it. Take a little bit of electrical tape. Yeah. Say like 3 inches, 2.5 inches, something like that. I'm just gonna do the top part. Just to attach it there. Oh, I'm getting stuff all over my hands now because it's still wet. Gross. Should have seen that coming. It's okay. It can stay wet in the... I'll take another inch piece of electrical tape. And I'm sure if you guys are out there saying, oh, this is the wrong way to do it. Shouldn't do it this way. It's, I never claimed this is the right way to do it. This is the way I'm doing it. Yeah, it might be wrong. It might be completely stupid. But you know what? It's a hell of a lot cheaper than 50 bucks. And right now, money's a bit tight. And I can't be spending money like a crazy person, especially on stuff that may or may not need to be fixed right away. So there, we got the other one in place. And I'm probably just gonna do the same. Put a little tape around the top part. Make sure the cable's tight against it. I don't know if wood was the best idea, but it's not like this is going to have power going through it. It's not like it's going to get hot. And this isn't exactly the best quality tape either. It is cheap $1 Walmart brand, but cheap stuff. I got a little bit of a sniffles, as you can hear. That was okay. So basically, the cable is braced, as you can see. There's a bit of a gap in there, but I'm not too worried about it. It does prevent the cable from bending anymore at that spot. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the electrical tape, and I'm going to start it at the top, and I'm going to do a tight wrap, about half overlapping each time, and I'll just go all the way down the new appendage that I've created, if that's the correct word. I guess I should be careful that I don't put too much stress on it, because now I've basically created a stress point for it. And then just a couple times around the end where we're ending it, rip it, tidy it up, squeeze it down. And I don't know about you guys, but this is now solid. It's not as solid as I would like, but I guess I could have done like off the top of this and off the bottom of this and straight, and yeah, because now you've created a weak point here basically where it can flex. But I'll be careful with it and make sure that I don't put any extra stress on it. I will packing the cable away. Now we're gonna have a stress point here, unfortunately, but should last us another, it's lasted a couple years now. We get another year or two out of it until I can afford a new camera, or until the team decides to buy one, because it's for the hockey team. Yeah, that probably won't happen. We'll see. that should work. I don't see why not. Should be nicely sealed and it'll fit back in the bag that I've got. I got a big bag for it, so I can wrap it up and it'll be fine. And now it's not going to flex at that part where the exposed cables were. And we'll just keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't start fraying over here. Well, I guess it's another video, guys, and thanks for watching. And if you like it, subscribe. I'll try and do some variety of some stuff, and not all going to be computer videos. As you can see, sometimes I have things like this that might be useful, might be horrible, might be redneck, for lack of a better word. Hope you guys are entertained a bit and you like it. And like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Give me some good comments. Let me know what you want to see. I can come up with a decent project that doesn't cost me too much to do, and I can use some of my knowledge. I'll do it. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Check out the other videos on this channel. I've got lots more coming, hopefully in the next couple of days. Hopefully we'll get into some computer projects. I'll show you guys how to do some stuff. Whether it's right or wrong. If you don't like it, don't watch. Or watch to laugh at me, I don't care. Whatever. Till next time, guys. Talk to you soon.